Hello everybody, I'm a little out of breath right now because I want to share with you guys a real world workout on this Concept2. This is actually being used professionally at this exercise facility called Take Back Your Life here in Enumclaw, Washington. It's very easy to get going on this rower. I typically use the rower to immediately get up my heart rate, warm up my total body, because it doesn't just get your legs, it gets your shoulders as well. It's easy to slip into you can use running shoes or street shoes. This one in particular doesn't slip around. Maybe it's because this floor is not wood, but it's this cement type texture. But do keep in mind that yours may in fact slip around depending on how aggressive you are with your rower. You can adjust the intensity either all the way up or down, very easy with the flick of a dial. The entire machine starts right when you pull the chain for a quick start, or you can adjust it and actually do some sort of workout, like a countdown from, let's say you want to start at 2,000 meters and you want to count down from there. You can do that too. So very easy to adjust, very easy to get going on it. Total body, and man, is this good for your cardio. So if it works for countless people of the general public coming in and out here at Take Back Your Life, well, it may in fact work for you. So that's it. My name is Beau. So hopefully this real world demonstration of this Concept2 rower works for you.